Hello everyone, and welcome to Life Underwater, the show where we explore the amazing wonders of the ocean. Today, we are going to dive into the world of coral reefs, the colorful underwater forests that teem with life, and act as a natural protective barrier for coastal regions. Coral reefs are not just rocks, but living creatures that form a symbiotic relationship with algae. The algae live inside the coral and provide them with food and color, while the coral provide them with protection and a place to live. Together, they create a complex and diverse ecosystem that supports more than 25% of all marine species. Some of the animals that live in coral reefs are giant clams, starfish, sea turtles, seahorses, eels, cuttlefish, and many kinds of fish. Some of them camouflage themselves to blend in with the coral, while others display bright colors and patterns to attract mates or warn predators. Coral reefs are also home to some of the most venomous animals in the world, such as the stonefish, the lionfish, and the box jellyfish. Coral reefs are found all over the world, but most of them grow in warm, shallow, and clear waters near the equator. Some of the most famous coral reefs are the Great Barrier Reef in Australia, the largest reef system on Earth, the Amazon Reef in Brazil and French Guiana, the only reef in the world that grows in murky water, the Tubataha Reef in the Philippines, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the Miami Terrace Reef in the United States, a rare example of a deep water reef. Coral reefs are not only beautiful and biodiverse, but also very important for humans. They provide us with many benefits, such as recreation, tourism, coastal protection, fisheries, and medicine. Coral reefs generate billions of dollars in revenue every year, and support millions of people who depend on them for food and livelihood. Coral reefs also help protect the shorelines from erosion and storm damage, and reduce the impact of waves and floods. Moreover, coral reefs are a source of new drugs and treatments for diseases, such as cancer, arthritis, and bacterial infections. However, coral reefs are also facing many threats, such as pollution, overfishing, coral bleaching, and ocean acidification. Pollution from land and sea can damage the coral and the animals that live in them by introducing harmful chemicals, nutrients, sediments, and trash. Overfishing can disrupt the balance of the ecosystem by removing the predators or the herbivores that keep the coral healthy. Coral bleaching is a phenomenon where the coral lose their algae and turn white due to stress from high water temperatures or other factors. This makes the coral more vulnerable to diseases and death. Ocean acidification is a process where the ocean becomes more acidic due to the absorption of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This makes it harder for the coral to build their skeletons and grow. These threats are serious and urgent, and if we don't act soon, we might lose these precious habitats forever. Scientists estimate that more than half of the world's coral reefs are already degraded, and that 90% of them could be gone by 2050. That would be a huge loss for the planet and for us. But there is still hope. Many people are working hard to save the coral reefs by cleaning up the pollution, restoring the damaged areas, creating marine protected areas, monitoring the health of the reefs, and raising awareness. You can help too by following some simple tips: conserve water and energy, and reduce your carbon footprint. Use reef-safe sunscreen and avoid touching the coral when you visit them. Support organizations that protect the coral reefs and the ocean. Spread the word and tell your friends and family about the importance of coral reefs. Together, we can make a difference and ensure that coral reefs survive and thrive for generations to come. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on life underwater. See you next time.